then we just need a little head to stick outside the pumpkin through that window. Remember that spot? Right through here. It's like the little kid inside seeing what's going on outside. So just one ball. Make it into the cone, teardrop, whatever you want to call it. Scissors, cut the mouth. Take a piece of spaghetti. Place it in here. And it's quite a ways in there. I need a longer piece. Oops, just make it smaller. Okay, take this and put it on at an angle like this. Open up that mouth again. And what's going on over there? Okay, ooh, I can see that spaghetti. You know, this still isn't long enough. I shouldn't have cut it. What can you do? All right, I'm going to push it in, make sure it goes all the way down to the bottom. And then I'm going to pinch that off there, place this back over. Actually, I messed it up now, so. Good thing it only takes a second to redo. All right, they're saying, what's going on? All right, ears. Finger over half. Tool, roll back and forth once or twice. Pinch it here at the bottom. A little bit of water inside here. May as well do the other one at the same time. Place that in there. Use the back of this tool to help guide it in. One more. Okay, so we've got our eyes. And I think we just need a turkey and a couple of small pumpkins and we're